Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure you are the class owner. If you are a co-teacher, you cannot delete the class. Once signed in, back up everything. Copy the class drive folder, export the roster as CSV, and note the class code. Then open Classroom. Google.com, select the class card you plan to remove, and make sure students know the class will be archived first. These early steps prevent data loss and stop accidental deletion of the wrong course. Once you've selected the correct class, click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Archive. You cannot delete a class that is still active. Archiving retains all content but prevents further student activity, so make sure students have submitted final work. After you archive, Classroom moves the course to archived classes. This gives you a buffer to review backups and confirm the archive is correct. If anything looks off, unarchive to recover content before proceeding to permanent removal. To finish, open archived classes from the main menu, find the archived class, and click its three-dot menu. Choose Delete and Confirm. This permanently removes the class for your account and typically cannot be undone. Make sure you only delete after verifying backups. Administrators may still retain records depending on domain settings. If the delete option is grayed out, check that you're the owner and contact your Google Workspace admin to adjust retention or ownership. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.